So after these few years of doing the YouTube thing and opening things, it had a couple viewers out there, or mainly one, that, hey, do a mailbag type thing, or just you can look at the crap that you open, you get from Amazon or whatever. And yeah, this might be one of those. So we'll try out this first little episode and see if you like it. Shoot us a comment down below. If you don't like it, do like it. If you want to see something else, hey, well, just go to some other channel, right? And see some other crap. Just like I mentioned in that comedy video thing, I do pretty much, if they want to send anything that maybe get opened on a whatever video maybe like this, hey, we'll try it out. I don't know what this is all about. Some little LED keychain. Interesting little thing. See if we can blind the camera. Yeah, that's great. Not much more to it. You even get a belt clip, which is weird to me for a keychain, but whatever. I didn't make it. Yeah, it does get warm. Oh, and look. Stop doing this. Micro USB. What the hell? Just use USB-C. It's been out for probably 7 or 8 years now. And stop it. This thing does get pretty warm. It's interesting. Yeah. If you're interested in a pocket warmer keychain flashlight thing that recharges, we'll leave the link down below. But wait, there's more. So, lots of you know what these are, but UniFi 6, yeah, that's not really new there. And, well, this might be new. Enterprise, no, that's nothing with Star Trek. But as far as we can go is this far. Because I won't be doing a review with this unit.
Enhance, please.
Because it says EA sample, not for resale or product reviews. So, nope. We're going to follow. I know I bash UniFi for some of their decisions. Their software are unable to make decisions properly, but hey, I'll abide by that one, and because their lawyer team's probably bigger than my team of 0. Yeah, math is hard sometimes. So we're gonna check this out, and we'll look for whenever we can get something when it comes out for regular release. This is the UniFi Enterprise that does have the new WiFi6e, which is that new 6 gigahertz spectrum, and I do have a couple devices that use that spectrum, and I'm going to test it out and see if it's really worth it, and should we stick with UniFi this year or not. So this is part of that YoLink LoRa system, supposed to be some long range 900 megahertz. I believe they're supposed to be getting a Home Assistant integration fairly soon. I should have the hub somewhere. Here's the hub, and that's the Vont bulb Color Pro. I'll talk about the reason for this in a minute. So I chose this hub because it also had Ethernet. They had a speaker hub. I think it was also Wi-Fi, but I guess it doesn't matter being 900 megahertz, but I didn't need the speaker thing. So we'll see how this one does. It's supposed to have an ESP32 inside. Don't know if we'll do any type of open source firmware on it or not, but we'll definitely see how it works out using stock. And maybe, I don't know what they'll have. I saw in one of the messages about possible MQTT support, but I'm not sure if it's with this hub. Now my OCD, or may throw some people's OCD off, is the logo. It just looks crooked. Interesting. Okay. So in there comes power supply, Ethernet and stuff. We'll fire it up and see what it does with stock. I'm kind of curious to see what happens with it. and we'll see what the ESP32 has. So I did get the temperature and humidity sensor with it. I wanted to see how that worked out. Now we've done some of the blurry stuff, so I like to compare that. And then, of course, the motion sensor. I didn't do the door sensor because I have plenty of door sensors and other stuff. So I just want to see. It could be boring walking around to see it with a door sensor, but hey, we'll try it with a motion sensor. So let's get on to the bulb stuff and why I ordered these bulbs. So just your average day smart bulb, right? Well, I did get some bulbs from this manufacturer where they were just 4-channel, and out of some surprise, once I opened it, and you can see it's not that hard to open. I know people ask, well, how do you open a bulb? Look, I just did it with my hands. But here's the cool part. Let's see if we can zoom in on this and enhance. So as you can see, these are going to be 5-channel. So you got your cool white and warm white LEDs. But the cool part about it is this board is only held in by the silicone and then the thermal paste on the back side. And check this out, if you can see it. There you go. You can if I hold it right in the light, you can see it says espressive. So this is an ESP32C3, so it's hardware PWM, plus you can do the Bluetooth from it if you really, really want to do blurry or whatever, but pretty awesome. I have flashed the 4-channel, but I like the cool white and the warm white. I kind of prefer, really don't use color a whole lot in bulbs, so they could really just do CT and just put in more CT for cool white, warm white. So I will show this in the future, how to flash with Tasmota. And since it is ESP32, it's hardware PWM, so it really gives some nice frequencies for LEDs. So I ordered this from AliExpress because of one thing. It is air quality sensor. It says smart air detector. So of course it's going to detect a lot of smartness in the air in this room, right? Yeah. There's not a whole lot to this. It is Bluetooth, and I believe Tony already did some preliminary work with this in the Tasmota Blurry project. So pretty cool to see what different, sensors and stuff we can snag from this in the Blurry project. So more to that to come. So I will open this right quick. I get my finger out the way. That's a decent little motion sensor. It looks like a magnetic back, and you put the 3M tape. Yeah, definitely magnetic. Interesting design. I could probably just sit there and play with that at my desk when I'm trying to do something, right? So it looks like 2 AAA batteries. Changhong. Okay. Interesting. Glad to see QC passed. So on the temperature humidity sensor, set button, activate device, change. I guess they had people complain about it being in Celsius or Fahrenheit, so they put a sticker on it to fix the issue. I don't need that. I would figure I could push the set button probably. So again, same little AAAs. I'd like to see the AAAs. That's pretty good when I see that. Do see an FCC ID on here. I may go look and see if they have the pictures of this. Nice little display. Let's see what the temperature is. Of course, we'll have to let them equalize. I'm not sure what, because that was in the box. So I'm sure the humidity was probably higher. Yeah, look, it's already dropping. We'll see how it compares. I'm not sure the exact accuracy of this one. So this is older stock, and the reason why I bought this is a door contact Zigbee sensor, was because this was a little different model number based on the ones I've seen. We've seen these for like $5 on eBay and sometimes even less. But they have like probably a second delay sometimes. They're great for like door and window sensors that don't drive automations. But supposedly the SE, we can zoom in a little bit. The SE version actually is not supposed to have that delay. So we'll see. What's crazy was this is the third order that I've done for these from different vendors on eBay. And they blatantly say this model number, XHS2-SE, and they would send like the TY or some other different model number. I already have those. And so I'd send them back. Your listing is wrong. Fix your listing. Finally, I did find someone that would send this actual sensor, and we'll see how the timing works compared to the other ones. Maybe we'll compare some other door sensors. They also do temperature as well with Zigbee to MQTT. I'm not sure if that happens under ZHA.
Run it back, pull up. I said pull up. Said pull up. Said pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah. We get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got a hand all rocked up.
There's more candy.
Huh?
There's more candy. We haven't got yet.
I know you're gonna get so mad at me, but you guys
Jolly Rancher. Is Jolly Rancher sucker? Jolly Rancher. My favorite. I'm getting all this over here. Bam, bam, bam. I got a pen, this. This. Okay. Skittles stuff. Skittles. I got so much candy. Don't close it yet. Got candy.
Okay, you're not closing it. You put it
I'm
in there?
gonna go get some more candy. Yep. Skittle.
I know it's not comfortable and it's cold and your head's cold and
It's completely open. Bouncy! Bouncy ball, bouncy ball, bouncy ball. Bouncy ball, bouncy ball. We have so much candy. Still more candy.
Come on, Owen. Okay, now, we're walking away from the area. I got my walk. No, I'm a walk.
I got your wife.
I got some more stuff. More.
You're gonna come by and clean the street, right?
Something like that.
Come on, get the candy in.
Owen, good God.
I like the candy.
Come on. We have enough.
For one whole year.
I'm not opening the bag yet.
I'm gonna probably eat a piece of candy out of that. They got a lot of cups. Parades are the best.
I guess the pedestrians don't have the right of way in Lake Charles.
Well,